Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. So, today we are going to make Russian salad. It's a kind of Russian salad, and this salad is served in marques and in marriage halls. And these are the ingredients which we will use in making this salad. This is fruit cocktail, macaronis, apples, powdered sugar, cream, and mayonnaise. So, let's get started. First, we will boil these macaronis. If you haven't liked this video, don't forget to press the like button. Cook the macaroni for 20 minutes. Now let's cut the apples. First we will peel them. So apples are peeled. Now let's cut them. The easiest way of cutting the apples is this. You can cut like this. Cut the apples in same size and same shape, like this. This will be the shape and size of the apples. If we talk about the benefits of apples, then apples decreases the risk of diabetes. Apples helps in overcoming the constipation. It also strengthens your immunity. Apples are a great source of nutrition. Apples helps in preventing or treating anemia, and apples also makes your teeth strong. So these are few benefits of apples, but apples are very beneficial for your health, and there are uncountable benefits of apples. So let's start making the salad. Add half cup of cream. I've used all-purpose cream. You can use according to your choice. And 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. And add 4 tablespoons of sugar in it. Mix all the ingredients well. This cream is very important in this dish, so make it very well. Now add apples in it. Add macaroni in it. And add 3 tablespoons of fruit cocktail in it. And mix all the ingredients well. So this will be the texture of this salad. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, don't forget to subscribe it. So let's taste this. It's really very delicious.